No conclusive evidence has yet emerged.
Menteri Ketenat Lekai ubah Syakliar Wajri ni kesengi ula pentip harga yang dorbar tauan bagi soka Jylla kala Thung ya ki live sangut ki career advisor ban ai ya kajing Syakri harga ban selok na ke Bynta ki Samla. Menteri ula ong bagi career counselling program ke ai ya kajing Syakri bekerpang bagi kajing kershan ya ki nong sengkam sengjam. Henry ubah Wajri ula kedau bakatukan Ngut ki Samla ki bawat Ïarap nak live sautli ki jaka ai jeng hikai kim jubut tien bat ketenat ke download ya ki jeng tip hakabedai bat kene ke Bynta.
Honorable Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 2. A, sir, there are 34 career advisors in 34 training centers. B, sir, the career counseling being provided through career advisors is structured, personalized and ongoing service that equips youth with career guidance, job readiness training, mentorship and entrepreneurship support to make informed career choices. Sir, like I said, some of these youths, we do actually have the numbers with us in these training centers, but not all of them. So like I said, some of them we do have the record, but some of them they don't come back to the training centers. So for that reason, sir, we don't have the entire number.
Katukan Italy ki